गोयच्या वॉटर मेट्रो प्रकल्पाक प्रधानमंत्र्याची मंजुरी. वॉटर मेट्रो प्रकल्पाविषयी नुस्तेकारांनी गैरसमज करून घेवचो न्ही. प्रकल्पाच्या टर्मिनलाक लागून नुस्तेकारांचेर कसलोच परिणाम जावचो ना. उलट थळाव्यांक रोजगार मेळटलो. वॉटर मेट्रो खातीर 9 रूट निश्चित केल्यात म्हणून मंत्री सुभाष फळदेसायाची माहिती.
For this project, the central support is confirmed. The Honorable Union Minister for Ports and Shipping and Waterways, Sri Sarbananda Sonowal, has personally declared his full assistance from the center for this project. The first phase is being taken up under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and with the support from the Honorable Prime Minister. Diwar, Chodan, Vashi, Sarmanas, Narav, Aldona, Kotalim, Mudkai, Adpai, Durbat, Panji, Beti.
वॉटर मेट्रो खातीर गोंय ही योग्य जागा आसा. प्रकल्पा खातीर लागपी इलेक्ट्रीक बोटी पर्यावरण पूरक आसतल्यो, तशेंच प्रवाशांच्या सुरक्षेची जतनाय घेतले. बोटी बांदपा खातीर गोंय शिपयार्डा कडेन उलोवप सुरू आशिल्ल्याचे कोची मेट्रो रेल लिमिटेडाचे सरवेवस्थापक लोकनाथ बेहरान सांगले.
When we complete the DPR in 4 months' time has been given to us, we are thinking it into two phases because the coastal part, which is also it is to be taken up in the second phase. In the first phase, we will connect all the villages, hamlets, etc. It will be the urban areas as been planned, as Sir has read it out, the 9 routes and the places. So we will be having around 32 terminals, and we say that it will be more than 100 boats, but that will be all depending on various things after the proper traffic survey is made and we take stakeholders and do sampling of the people. We will exactly tell that how many boats will be actually required.
Bureau Report, Prudent.